Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people. Dancehall skilla there again once more, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes, you may say. Yeah, big up. Alright, my people. I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the things that I'm about to say to you might be disturbing to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. You see? Yeah, because I read more than 2 news articles about different things that happened within the world. You understand? And I wonder why people do certain things. Yes, I may say viewers and subscribers, but you know, I'm going to read some words from at least one of these news articles to you, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yes, so I'll get started. You see? Now, I read a news article that had been published within the month of February the year 2022 that gave me the understanding that a 33-year-old female from Florida, United States of America, who goes by the name of Jasmine Martinez, had been accused of using coronavirus relief funds from the Paycheck Protection Program to hire a hitman to kill a 24-year-old female who goes by the name of Leshante Jones. According to the same news article, it is said that Leshante Jones had been killed in front of her 3-year-old child on the 3rd of May, the year 2021. According to the same news article, it is said that 3 persons are in police custody for the murder of Jones. And according to the same news article, it is said that those 3 persons who are in police custody for the killing of Jones are said to be Javon Carter, Jasmine Martinez, and Romeo Jones. See? The news article that I read gave me the understanding that Jasmine Martinez is in police custody on charges that includes first-degree murder, attempted murder, and conspiracy to murder. And according to the same news article, it is said that Javon Carter, who is said to be the alleged hitman and or the alleged shooter, is said to be an ex-con. And according to the same news article, it is said that Carter is in police custody on charges that includes first-degree murder with a deadly weapon and unlawful possession of a firearm by a violent career criminal. According to the same news article, it is said that the person who goes by the last name of Robinson was already in police custody on other charges that includes resisting arrest, burglary, carrying a firearm without a serial number, armed robbery, drug trafficking, and other offenses. You hear that, my people? So him already in a police custody for a bag of things. Yeah. The news article said that all 3 persons are being held without bond. See? Right now, my people, I want to listen to this carefully because I'm about to read some words from the same news article. You see me? I say, now listen up, my people. See? According to this news article, it is said that Martinez is accused of collecting $15,000 in PPP money, most of which went toward hiring Carter to allegedly gun down Leshante Jones, 24, in front of her 3-year-old on May 3rd. And that's according to the news article, see? And according to the same news article, it is said that after Martinez collected the coronavirus relief money, Robinson allegedly negotiated a $10,000 fee for Carter using code language. And according to the same news article, in viewers and subscribers, it is said that after the shooting, allegedly Carter collected the money and posed with the money in a selfie video and said, "Just another day at the office." My people, if I saw it really going on, that heartless, my people. The whole situation overall, in my point of view, heartless, see? Anyways, I'm going to read some words from another news article now, viewers and subscribers. Hopefully, you might get a better understanding about the situation. Now, listen carefully, see? Now, according to another news article that I'm reading right now, it is said that as outlined in court records, Martinez had a long series of run-ins with Jones. She had first been arrested on a battery charge in April 2016, accused of striking Jones, who was dating Martinez's ex-boyfriend. But the case was dropped. See, according to the same news article now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that Martinez was arrested again in 2018 for again striking Jones. And according to the said news article again now, it is said that after a court hearing for the case in February 2020, according to police records, Jones was attacked in the parking lot of Miami's criminal courthouse by Martinez's boyfriend, Kelly Nelson. I tell you. See, according to this news article, it said that Nelson was jailed for armed robbery. He was waiting trial even though the chief witness had been murdered. I tell you, my people, it's like the plot just keep on getting thicker and thicker the more I read these news articles and viewers and subscribers in. Anyways, according to the same news article that I'm reading now, it is said that the warrants allege Martinez orchestrated a campaign to threaten and intimidate Jones, and then eventually murdered the young mother when she continued to cooperate with prosecutors. See, the plan was hatched through jail phone calls, some of which were recorded and used as key evidence. You see, my people, I tell them, my people, Jano. Anyways, according to the same news article here, it is said that after Jones' murder, detectives began reviewing jail phone calls between Nelson and Martinez. And according to the same news article, it is said that in one call, Martinez blurted out that she was ready to go kill this hoe and said Jones has to die. That's according to this news article, now viewers and subscribers. You see me, I say, now there are other things that have been said in the news article, but viewers and subscribers, and a real though. See, the whole situation sad, you know. The whole situation sad. It really sad. And there are also pictures circulating on social media that shows the faces of those persons who have been accused of being involved in the death of Jones. You understand? See, there's also a picture that shows a person holding something that is believed to be a gun, and that person allegedly is said to be the hitman. You understand, my people? It's really sad, you know, but we just are making no war go on, young people. It's a making no war go on. See. Anyways, I have a video I'm going to present to you, but before I present the video to you, I want to encourage each and everyone to go over to a YouTube channel that is called Uncle Mark Music and listen to a song that is called Can't Return. Yes, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below, and if you click that link will take you over to the song that is called Can't Return, that is on a YouTube channel that is called Uncle Mark Music. Alright? Alright. Now I have a video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to take a good look at this video and tell me if you see any form of paranormal activities in this video. You understand? Because according to how this video has been posted on social media and according to some things that I heard in this video, allegedly there are allegations about this video claiming that the video might show some form of paranormal activity. Yes, some persons are wondering and assuming that the video shows ghosts. Jamaicans might say duppy. Yes, so I say my people, I take a look at this video and tell me what they think. I want you to look at this video and tell me if you see any ghost or any duppy in this video. You can also tell me if you see any form of paranormal activities in this video as well. You understand? Yeah, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, my people. Observe with me.
Then it wouldn't just be that little area.
Alright, never call.
Alright, people, look on this good now. Look on it carefully now. Look at it good, carefully, and proper. Just look. Does it mean look? You go see one white pale thing appear. Like just look carefully. You soon see it. You soon see it. Look.
See it there, kid.
See it? See it there?
She look there.
That me I talk about now. What that? What is that?
Look there, she.
How that just ploops up? Eh?
So you can't see the restaurant now, you know. Only restaurant door alone, so you can see like black out to
How that?
to how the image coming up.
How that happen?
What them night, chin?
What that?
Of course. So what me I say to you, say, remember say rainfall last night right through to, you know. So why we not see it last night? Why we not see the water up on the camera and a regular rainfall so you know make a difference. Me I show you say you gonna see that big shadow there, you know. And that's my problem, you know, that
The bigger shadow, yeah.
That me matter about them little one. And them big shadow is my problem when I move around and say, you know, look on them, look there, round there, look there. So why black out? That's we can't see down the road and can't see no. Look round it. You have to down the bar, you know. Look round it, you have to. It block everything, you know.
What? How that?
Can't see behind it.
Me wonder if a malfunction that camera the malfunction my people. Like pan a reel or maybe that has some from a
Watch now.
water from rain or raindrop or something. That
I said, man, show you kind of just movements.
No, but
yeah, but watch it now. This one you are gonna get big and just stretching.
Maybe some from a reflection or
So I
something.
said, what that?
How which shadow him talk about?
What that?
the camera can catch them.
A camera catch them, man. No.
Picture when you take
called-
a picture.
Yeah, man, ghost ring. Because camera, yeah, man, ghost ring.
Yeah.
And that's the problem.
How that happen? That is puzzling to me,
know.
people.
No.
I wonder if the camera lens malfunction. Me don't know what to think about that whenever people. For real, me I feel
Why
wonder
not show
what is-
no other angle? Like,
With one camera.
because if I did light, if it was light from say one vehicle, so you don't see from the other cameras.
Couldn't be no light.
You understand me? I say for some reflection, you don't see it.
So-
Mm-mm.
Well, I
It'll give you spread.
other cameras.
True.
We don't fool. Look on the ring now. It's shape with the dark. Separate, you know, see?
Please, bro.
Other cameras.
The movements inside of it.
Watch the movement. Watch
Is
it.
it a piece of paper or what to might be just drop a while
Look
ago?
what I go on.
Hold on. I point out something about that. Just hold on, people. This weird though. Alright, people. More you look at this part here with me now. See? Look right here. Let me try to freeze it here. Right here. Look this now. See? Why is it that this I don't know if a paper or what that, but whatsoever that thing be, how comes it look like it was in front of that little round pale white ball thing there? Why did the thing look like it there in front of it, like it in front of it, like it's like whatsoever that thing be, is like it passed between the camera and that white pale looking thing right there, because I don't know what that is. You see me, I say, look at this part. You see me, why is it that it look like it passed in between the camera lens and whatsoever that thing be? You get me, I say, my people? Now, if it was a water drop, or if it is a water drop, I assume that that thing, whether it be a piece of paper or what, I assume that that thing would look as if it goes in front if water drop is on the camera lens. You get what I'm saying to you, my people? So why it look like it passed in between the camera lens and whatsoever the white thing be, instead of being out in front of both the camera lens and whatsoever that white thing be? See me I say? I wonder if it's a water dropping. Me still wonder. And I think, me not confirm nothing. I think, and I point out certain things. You see me I say? But anyways, my people, you can tell me what you think, yeah, because on a real, the amount of videos me see posted on social media about duppy, ghosts and paranormal activities, you see me I say, and overall, me I tell you the truth, me still not convinced about ghost being caught on camera and about duppy being caught on camera 100%. No, me not 100% convinced yet. Yes, I mean I say yet. Until me get 100% proof, then me can say, well, the camera really catch duppy. So me I say, and these are just my opinions and point of views and viewers and subscribers. You understand? See me I say, me not say the thing not real, but at the same time, me still not reach 100% to say, yes, duppy real. I think I'm going to leave it right there, some people. I'm going to leave it there, so big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla, and big up on yourself, is it?